Well, here's video 7 of the repair job of my Aerolite 103 that was pretty much destroyed in a crash. I pretty much had to repair 90% of it, but I think I feel pretty good about it. Everything that I did, get it back to where it should be. I've been testing the engine, trying to get the engine tuned up pretty good. I've learned a lot about the carburetor and how to adjust it. And then all of a sudden the battery went out. It's a Earth-X 3.1 volt battery, starter battery, but all of a sudden one day it just stopped, went into its protective mode, and it would not charge above 3.1 volts. And it's supposed to have at least a 3.4, 3.5 volt charge on it. So I ordered the charger that's recommended for the battery, which is an Optimate charger. It hooked it up, and again, it wouldn't charge it over 3.1 volts. So I called the company for the battery and talked to her, and she couldn't figure out why it wouldn't charge over 3.1 volts. So she said send the battery back to them and they would test it, figure out what's wrong with it, and hopefully send me a new battery, because these batteries are very expensive. They're over $200. So hopefully they will send me a new battery, since this battery wasn't even a year old. And it wasn't damaged in the crash or anything, because I had started the engine several times and it started it just fine. But the wings, the right wing was really destroyed, and the sail on the right wing was ripped from the top, from the leading edge all the way around to the bottom. But I decided I would go ahead and try to repair the sails, which I think I did a pretty good job. Left wing was good. They had some scrapes and small cuts and tears, but nothing that I couldn't repair easy. But this big tear, I simply just sewed them together and then put a 2-inch sail patch over where I sewed it, and then I put this large 8-inch patch of Dacron. I forget the weight, but it's a little heavier than what the wings covered with. But it went on pretty good. It looks pretty good. I wouldn't be afraid to fly this plane with a repair I did on the sails. But I plan on trying to sail the wing sails, these, once I get the new ones in October. I won't have any use for these, but that's my plans for the wings. And Other things I did, I put decals, no step decals, and then a danger prop. And then I ordered the remove before flight for the pitot tube. Just little stuff to make it better. I've mounted my iPad so I can use it in flight, hopefully, if it works out. But I thought I would try extending the brake handle a few inches, so that's what I did. I extended the brake handle, made it a little bit more accessible. So I'm really happy with the job that I did on this ultralight. And I'm not gonna have any problems safety-wise when I go to fly it. I think it'll be a really nice little ultralight for me to buzz around on. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got for this video. But thanks for watching.